Hey everybody, this is Shane Mays. I'm here at Horizons Church in Stafford, Virginia. I just wanted to take you through all of our new PreSonus equipment that we purchased. So here we have a 32 channel, the new Series 3 version of the console, and here we have our broadcast console, which is a 16 channel 16 channel Series 3. We're actually digitally splitting all 32 channels so we can page over, so we have every channel for our broadcast console. Then we're also running our UC app on here. So up on stage we have three NSB Stage Boxes. We have two 8.8s, one on stage left, one on stage right, and then we have the 16.8 for our backlines. We have all of our drums and all of our backline running into those. We're running all wireless in-ear packs, and so all of those different outputs allow us to have a lot of different stereo mixes up on stage, and keeps everything close to our musicians up there. And so to make everything talk to each other, we also have two SW5E switches to just get everything synced up. And so the way that we're running it, we have both these consoles are on standalone mode, so they can both talk. The 32 channel is running our master clock, and so we're not competing there, but we're able to pull all 32 channels into this console so that we have all of our own effects, all of our own fat channel presets and everything on that as well. And so yeah, everything is working great, and I can't thank the guys at PreSonus enough. So thank you guys.